Hey guys, this is just a quick video here for my yellow belt submission. Going to be opening the Master 140 with the Octo Rake from Sparrows. Going to use bottom of the keyway tension. And using the Octo Rake, just going to gently rock it, see if we can't get a false set. Alright, sounded like some clicks in there, so let's see if we can... Oh, there we go. Oops, now I dropped it, of course. And there she is. Thanks for watching. And actually, well, for a quick little bonus, here's a fun little thing. It always brings a smile to my face, makes me laugh. This is a Everyday Essentials is what it's branded. It's just a junky thing. Anyways, I'm going to use the Octo Rake again. No tension tool. Just going to slightly twist it a little bit. And this is always brings a smile to my face. Oh, there we go. She's open. Octo Rake, no tension tool. Love it. Makes me laugh every time. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.